Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I am going to give you some idea about the hemoglobin buffer. So the hemoglobin buffer system is a protein buffer system. So it acts as most powerful buffer, intracellular buffer most powerful, and roughly responsible for about 65 to 80% of total buffer capacity of the blood and help to maintain the pH at 7.4. Now the core buffering mechanism. Now hemoglobin exerts its buffering capacity by binding with H plus ions to its imidazole groups present on histidine amino acid residues of hemoglobin. Now the affinity of hemoglobin for H plus ion depends on whether H plus ion is oxygen bound or not. The first step is mechanism at tissue level or buffering of excess H plus. Now the deoxyhemoglobin has higher affinity for H plus as of its higher pK value. So deoxyhemoglobin binds to free proton, that is H plus, which are generated due to tissue metabolism. So what happened here? At tissue level, carbon dioxide is produced, which is then enter into the capillaries, and there are presence of red blood cell. Then it enters the red blood cell. It is converted into bicarbonate ion, that is ACO3 minus, and hydrogen ion, that is H plus, in the presence of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase, that is Ca carbonic anhydrase, by taking one molecule of water, CO2 plus H2 in presence of carbonic anhydrase, H2CO3 carbonic acid, H plus plus HCO3 minus, H plus ion, that is H plus ion, that is HCO3 minus ion, that is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid, it is carbonic acid. Now the excess H plus ion here is absorbed by deoxyhemoglobin, H plus plus Hb minus HB. So if the H plus ions remain excess, it will lower the pH. So what happened here? The hemoglobin, deoxyhemoglobin binds to H plus ion to form this and which basically help to increase the pH or help to maintain the pH. Mechanism at the lung level, where H plus is released to exhale. Now the presence of oxygen or the high pressure of oxygen, that is PO2, is more in lungs. So deoxygenated blood reaches oxygen rich pulmonary capillaries, where oxygen is then bind to hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin by releasing H plus ions, HHB, H plus plus, HB minus. Now the released H plus combines with bicarbonate ions, that is HCO3 minus, there to form carbonic acid, which breaks down into water and carbon dioxide. Now the carbon dioxide is then exhaled out. H plus plus HCO3 minus, carbonic acid H2CO3, H2O plus CO2. Now this way hemoglobin buffer system maintain the acid base balance in our body, basically the maintenance of the pH of blood at 7.4. So this is a brief idea regarding the hemoglobin buffer system, and here I am ending my today's video. And if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.